Once upon a time, during the Great Shelter-in-Place in Clyde, California, a group of artists faced a common challenge: the lack of opportunities to showcase their work and connect safely. One sunny afternoon, a woodworker named Bad Grandpa and I decided to address this. We invited the community through Nextdoor to discuss our challenges and brainstorm solutions in the parking lot of our community clubhouse. The turnout was beyond expectations, revealing a genuine need for a platform where local artists could collaborate and showcase their work. Thus, the Clyde Artists Network, CAN, was born. With Bad Grandpa and myself leading, CAN grew, hosting meetups, an annual holiday arts and crafts festival, and community events like Earth Day celebrations and summer barbecues. CAN collaborated with local businesses and organizations, creating opportunities for artists to thrive. Together, we are fostering a vibrant art scene, proving that sometimes all it takes is a spark of conversation to ignite a movement. Together, we can.